guys. I guess we're in the Central Park of Amsterdam. This is the famous square. And we just happened to come around it by accident because we were just walking, and that's what happens when you walk. You just show up places. So this is the famous square, and I'm here. And now that I've been here, I think it's time to go. But wait a minute, is that the Royal Palace? Is that the Royal Palace? Did we just run into the Royal Palace? I think we did. I think we did, guys. Oh my. Oh. What a good opportunity for us to run into two spots that we've been looking for. Look at that. Look at that beauty. My goodness. Guys, you know, the truth is I don't know if I would have made it here if not by accident. So very glad that we were able to make it here and get a nice view of this beautiful place and the palace right in front of us. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, we got a performer.
Faster! Faster! Here we go! Everybody! Okay, yeah, I got it. Let go, let go. Okay, I count 1, 2, 3. You go to the torches and light them, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. No, take your time. Uh-oh. Oh my God. It's... Yeah, help him out. Yeah. I like teamwork. Although I have a solo show. Oh my God. Ladies and gentlemen, it's very, very windy. 3 amazing guys. And 1 amazing lady. Well, let me be careful, be careful. You give them to excellent. Yeah. Just hand them to me. No, don't do anything funky now, man. Excellent, ladies and gentlemen. Excellent. Ladies and gentlemen, in the darkness, on the cobblestones, 3 burning torches. Now, I'm not a magician, but I think this is magical, right? All right, let's everybody like this. A little clap, like we practiced. Come on! 1. I got it! And a final one! 1, go! Ladies and gentlemen, check this out! For your entertainment! Oh my God. Here we go!
Once again, guys, the national monument right in front of us. What a beautiful sight. At night, how many times are you gonna be able to do this and experience this? So we're gonna go one more time and check it out, try and get a nice picture here. Interesting statue here. Not really sure what it means, but nice fountain. Interesting. Even at night you see the bikes. I mean, it doesn't matter if it's day or night. Oh my goodness, wow, that's a lot of bicycles. Guys, take a load of this madness. Wow, bike heaven. Guys, I think I might be one of only a few people out here on the streets. Like always, we're not afraid to venture out of the crowds and just explore, whether it's daytime, nighttime, it doesn't matter. So we're just enjoying it. I love the night lights. I love the ambiance. Really nice place. Let's just keep experiencing this stuff. All right, phenoms, so what's going on? What's going on is we're heading back to the hotel. Hopefully the bar is still open, because I've walked a couple of miles and that's my reward. I haven't gotten anything since I ate earlier, and I just think that this is the right time. So I see the flag from my hotel coming up front there, the Andaz. Guys, I couldn't recommend it enough. Great hotel. I lucked out. You know, I was able to get a room at a good rate. As you can you know, you can see that it's right next to the one of the canals, the breeze, everything. It's beautiful. I don't know, I couldn't give it enough props, but let's see what's going on in there. Oh, and there's my man again. I see this guy everywhere in the hotel. He must be their mascot or something. What's going on, buddy? There he is. Hey, what's going on, guys? So Monday morning here in Amsterdam, and now for the first time in like 3 days we do get some rain. It's cold, totally different day than what we've gotten so far. So it's good, gives us an all-around experience. Everybody seems to be still sleeping. It's just about 7 o'clock in the morning, and we're heading to grab a tram. So, you know, can't come to Amsterdam and not experience this rain. 240 days out of the year last year rained. We knew we were gonna get one of these, so we welcome it as long as we don't get drenched here. All right, so we're approaching the tram station. It's just over that bridge, I believe. So let's go check that out. Oh no, there goes my train. There goes my train. All right, guys, so I missed my first tram, didn't get here in time. The other one is coming in about 1 minute. You see the little train just popped up on the thing there. That means it's about to get here, and we'll take that over to the central station, hopefully. And then we'll head over to the town where we're going, which is about another hour away. So quite a bit of a trip we've got ahead of us. All right, guys, so we just came into Central Station, beautiful station. And now we're gonna go to platform 8B, but we're just verifying here. I don't even know what I'm looking at here, but I do know that it's 8B because that's where I was told to go. So we're gonna go to platform 8B and head on up here and see where we go. See where 8B takes us. We're gonna be on this train for close to an hour. So join me, shall we? So we're going on platform 8B, and we're gonna be on the first class. But this is not a train. Ours comes in about half an hour or so. So let's just be on the lookout for it. But this is a huge station. It's a lot of trains and easy to get confused. Make sure you get the right platform, make sure you get the right train, make sure you get the right class. So it's telling me that 8B is straight ahead. I'm glad I looked at the signs because I was heading actually in the wrong direction. But you know what? We've got plenty of time, guys. For right now, we've got plenty of time. Let's just keep looking, enjoy the trains, enjoy the trip. And hopefully you guys are enjoying this European morning here in Amsterdam with me. Beautiful Central Station. There's a Burger King over there representing Florida. So we're getting close to 8B now. This is our train, so we're gonna get on board and we're gonna have a good time. That's what we do. So we're heading to the front of the train here. See the people getting out. Oh, excuse me. I'll walk over here. We're in the first cabin. So we are in first class cabin here in the train heading to Amersfoort, and then we're getting picked up there. I feel like we're in a cage. We're the only people in first class, and kind of awkward because everybody else is sitting in the other parts of the train. This is a different part of Amsterdam, a more rural, or I should say very rural part. Came here to visit a friend, and I think I'm the only person in this train station. But guess what? It's not all about big cities. It's not all about the fancy Amsterdam and, you know, New York City or wherever you want to go. Sometimes it's these smaller towns, and you know, I mean, I had a really good time here. People were very friendly, a little bit different. Not everybody spoke English, but I liked it. I liked what I saw, and now I'm gonna go grab the train. So let's see where this train is at. Gets here in a couple of minutes. All right, guys, so this is what I'm talking about. You know, we're in the middle of rural Netherlands, the middle of nowhere, and we're waiting for our train. You know, smaller station, but what a beautiful sight. I mean, it's not all about big cities and big trains. It's also about smaller towns and appreciating what you have, you know. So this is it right here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we are in Barneveld-Noord. Where is Barneveld-Noord? Well, Barneveld-Noord is about an hour outside of Amsterdam in the Netherlands. Rural town, not exactly your tourist hub. It's I don't know what it's known for, to be honest with you, but I think I'm like the only person waiting for the train here. Maybe there's one or two other people, and like I said to you guys before, we're not just gonna be covering, like everybody else, the big cities, the New York cities, LA's, Vegas, Amsterdam's. We're also gonna be going to the Barneveld-Noord, which are cities that are as important, if not more important, than some of those bigger cities. Why? Because this is the heartland. This is the heartland of the Netherlands. This is the heartland. This represents the heartlands of many, many countries. And these are the kind of things we like to do just because we can, frankly, and we want to bring you those treks. So I didn't really share in where I was at and what I was doing and any of that stuff because it's really not relevant to our channel. But I did want to share that we are here. We're enjoying our trip here, and now we're waiting for a train and heading back to the city. So we'll probably be there in about an hour, but in the meantime, we're just gonna hang out here and wait about another 5 minutes or so.